Hey, it's Candy. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do a grocery haul for you guys because you guys have been asking for it, so let's get into it. I went to Walmart today after I went to breakfast and after I had coffee with someone that I met on YouTube, and she was super awesome, and I think we're gonna be best friends now. Brittany, hey girl. So I need a conditioner, so I got the Suave Rosemary and Mint. You guys know that that's like my flavor combo that I love. Let's start with the meat. So I got 2 packages of these boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I prefer thighs. I think breasts, they dry out, and I don't like it. I don't like to eat dry meat. Like, it's just gross to me. Then I got these peel, devein, tail off shrimp. I plan on making some shrimp scampi with, well, I'll show you what. These noodles. You guys able to see it? There we go. Usually I make these myself, but I saw these in the freezer section and I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. So it's just spiralized zucchini, and I think I have to get the receipt out. Hold on. Let me see. Should have turned my phone off. Okay, so the chicken thighs were $2.32 a pound. The shrimp was $11.98 for a pound and 8 ounces. Let's see. Green Giant spiralized zucchini, $3.48. Now, there's probably 2 zucchini worse than here. That would have probably cost me $1 if I'd done it myself. But that is an option if you don't have a spiralizer, which is only $7, so you should invest. Just saying. Other freezer stuff. Great value coconut curry chicken. This is for a night where maybe I don't want to cook. Nope. $5.88. There's at least 2 servings in here. Cooks in 9 minutes, meal for 2, it says. And I also got Sam's Choice slow cooker meatball stroganoff. I don't know why, but it was something that I wanted to try. $9.68, 5 servings. Now, they had chicken and dumplings, and I was tempted to get that, but I looked at the salt content, and the chicken and dumplings was 1,120 milligrams per serving. That's like half of your daily allowance. So I was like, nah, this one's still high. It's still 910, but it was lower than the other one. I got 2 things of quinoa. I told you guys in my vlog that I wanted to try to make that chicken quinoa salad that I got at Starbucks. These were, I believe, $3.98 a piece. Oh, where are you? They're organic. Where are they? They gotta be these ones down here. $2.94. So, and they're a pound, which if you've ever bought quinoa before, it's usually right around $5 a pound, so that was a really good deal. This is the dressing that I'm gonna try on that chicken quinoa salad. It's a Catalina dressing. I know that's not the dressing. I actually plan on mixing a little sriracha with this to get the like spicy flavor. I found recipes for that chili vinaigrette, but it seemed really complicated. So I was like, nah, that's cool. Let's see. That was, oh wait, the quinoa was $3.92 a piece. There, I found it. Catalina dressing, $1.98. I got 4 cans of no salt added black beans. I decided not to get the corn. I'm not a huge corn fan, and they didn't have any that was like fire roasted corn, so I was like, no, that's okay. Those were 72 cents a piece. On to my vegetables. I got a spaghetti squash. I'm gonna tell you why. I do love spaghetti squash. On Twitch last night, we were talking about low carb dieting and stuff like that, and Khaleesi was in there, and she's like, wait, there's other kind of squashes? There's more than one kind of squash? She goes, I thought it was just like a general thing. And I was like, no, no, no. There's like spaghetti squash and acorn squash and summer squash. And she's like, how am I supposed to know this? I didn't go to squash school. I laughed at squash school for like 10 minutes. Like, I couldn't stop. I was like, squash school. That's the best thing ever. It's my most favorite thing. So thanks, Khaleesi, for that. So the spaghetti squash is 98 cents a pound. This is a little over 4 pounds, so it was about $4. It was $4.03. I bought jicama for the salad. Have you ever bought jicama? I kind of knew what it looked like. Wasn't sure where to find it. Took me about 5 minutes, but I finally found it. It is also 98 cents a pound. This is 0.7 pounds, cost me 69 cents. I bought chopped green onions because I'm lazy. And this was $2. Totally worth it. I plan on making some miso soup. I got some instant miso, less sodium instant miso from Amazon. And it always tastes better with green onions in it. So that's why I got that. Mushrooms, $3.98 for 1 pound of cremini mushrooms. I like having mushrooms also in my miso soup, so boom. And finally, organic half and half spring mix. This was $4.76. So, you know, I have to have that for the quinoa salad. So all in all, I spent under $100, and I'm really happy with my purchases. It doesn't look like much for $100, but how much was my conditioner? $2.94 was the conditioner. So it's not so bad. It was something that I needed. Everything else I'm pretty good on. So I hope you guys like this. I hope to cover some cooking and some recipes on this channel. So that's why I wanted to show you guys this stuff. Because then I kind of forced myself to do everything else. So I will put my total at the end. Yeah, that's about it. Let's see, what do I had to pay tax on the water that I bought for Roger, the soda and the tea that I bought for Roger, and my shampoo. That's the only thing I paid tax on, because in Washington you don't pay for fresh foods. You do not pay tax. So, there we go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye!